Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2014 Lexus RC350 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button over here and that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And you're going to be using that menu button right here. And to open that so that you can go to this page, and go ahead and use the left or the right. Actually, you know what? Sorry. Use the back button and left or right to go to your page, which is here in setting. Press enter for the use the middle button to use for enter. Every time you see this, go ahead and click back. And now press enter on setting. Scroll down to maintenance system, enter on that. Scroll up to yes, enter on that. And that is it. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.